Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create PO purchase order in Microsoft Excel. Just go to the file, new, on office template search box just type purchase order and press enter. It will show the different type of purchase order. Just click one of them and press download. And it will show the purchase order on Excel. Just change the logo of your company here. Right click, change picture and select the company logo and insert. It will show the company logo here. Which is your company name? Just type the name of your company. Suppose your company is Computer World and if you have any slogan just type here, and if you don't know just remove it and type the address of your company, city, phone number and email here. If you have any PO number just type the PO number, and date is automatically display the to date because here is a function of today, and today is 27 number. It will display the 27 number date. And if you have any customer ID just type, and if you don't know just remove it. Just type the name of the vendor, company name, street address and city and phone number here. Vendor name is Shiraz and company is RES, and type the address of this company is and so on, and type the city and type the phone number here. And where you want to ship this product just type the name of the company, name of the person, company name, address, and so on, city and phone number here. And shipping method, if you have any shipping method by air, by bus, by train, just type the shipping method and shipping term. If you have any term, then you have to type here, and delivery date here. I want to purchase some LCD. Just type the quantity here, item number and LCD. What is the item? LCD. And unit price of LCD is $8,800, and it will calculate the amount automatically, because if you multiply this amount of this quantity to the unit price, then it will display the total amount. And subtotal is, if you have another item, just type the quantity suppose we have to purchase 25 keyboard and amount is $100, then it will display the total amount and it will automatically calculate the total amount here. Subtotal is here and total amount is not displayed. Just double click here, it will display the amount. And if you have any cell text, just type here 400 cells. For example, cell text is 5% and it will calculate the 5% here and total amount is 44,625. Cell text is 5% and total amount is here. Just type the remaining field here and your PO will be created and looks like here. Just click the preview button, you can see the PO here and there is some missing word here. Go to the page, go to the view and select the page break preview and drag it to this here and now you can see the complete PO here and you can print by click here. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.